Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. I just received a package from Illustrated Faith and I'm super excited to unbox the new Heart Tune Devotional. Let's do it. I am always so excited when I receive a new package from Illustrated Faith because that means a new devotional kit plus goodies that go with that devotional kit. So in this video, I'm going to unbox the Heart Tune Devotional plus share some of the extra supplies that you can pick up in the Illustrated Faith shop that might go with the kit. It might help you in your creative journaling this month. If you're interested, I will link things down in the description box below. Don't forget, Illustrated Faith has a physical shop side of their website, and then they have a digital shop side. So you can always purchase these devotionals digitally. You can purchase the Ephemera digitally, and that way you can print it out at home. Saves a little money, allows you to print things over and over. It's a fantastic option if the cost and shipping and things like that start to really add up. It's nice to be able to have that digital option as well. All right, let's go. This month's devotional kit is called Heart Tune, and it was written by Vanessa Walker and Becca Lynn, two really great friends that have been kind of in the trenches over the past year. And so they are giving us their take as they go through trials and tribulations in their life. We all go through that. And I'm excited to kind of dive into this one. So this is the physical kit. This is what you get when you order the kit. First of all, loving these bags. Love, love, love. So Vanessa Walker and Becca Lynn wrote it. Vanessa did some of the artwork. Jasmine Jones did a lot of the artwork for the ephemera and other pieces of the kit. So I'm excited to kind of dive in. All right. Love the bag. Super cute. Let's look at the actual devotional Heart Tune. Love this. Oh, are we going horizontal this month? Okay. All right. We're changing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay. Heart Tune intro. First of all, Vanessa designed this cover. I think it is so beautiful. Love her sketches. She does these black and white florals that are just, they're everything. I love them. And we're going horizontal with the kit this month, which I'm kind of digging, you guys. So look how cute all of this stuff is. Oh, let me just read the intro to you. It says, this devotional is a sit-down powwow co-hosted by two sisters in Christ and very dear friends. Both are speaking from the battlefield, having been knee-deep somewhere in the trenches for the past year. One battling it out a little further down the field, having covered a bit more ground. The other is fresh in the muck, boots uncomfortably soggy. We invite you in, sharing some practices we're employing, present tense, to help us in our battle. So pour yourself a cup of coffee or tea and sit a spell with us over these next weeks as we give you a peek at our battlefields and battle plans and hopefully encourage you as you armor up and put discipleship into action. And I love the premise for this. It chokes me up a little bit. I think this is just wonderful timing and I'm so excited to dive in. So you get a little, I like how they're calling them episodes because they're doing this almost like a little podcast, like a little talk time between two friends. And so you have Vanessa and then you have Becca, and they give you a little bit of background and then you kind of dive in, input, output. Look at how they're phrasing it. It's like they're texting back and forth. How beautiful is this? Written out, tons of room for notes here on the side. I'm loving that. Oh, look at how they did that. And then you have places to work. This might be a month that it works out really well to kind of dig in to the actual, like, do your work in the devotional book. Don't change the channel. I love this. Oh my goodness. Look how I'm so excited. This is so beautifully formatted. Jill does all the formatting and the editing. It's so well done. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm super excited about this. This one, it hits me at a good time. So I'm very excited. Let's see what else comes with the kit. So you have the devotional, and then you have some goodies that come in the physical kit. So this is a new thing that Illustrated Faith started last month. These are rub-ons. So what you do is you have your little popsicle stick back here. You take some of these. I tend to cut them off, the ones I want, just so I don't accidentally rub off one I don't want to use. And then you put it on your page, you rub it on, and it's just a cool transfer. It's very thin, so it doesn't add bulk anywhere, and I love how these work. So designed by Jasmine Jones. Those are beautiful. Here's our stamp this month. Look at the type, Hearttoon Alpha. Again, I believe this one is designed by Jasmine as well. And you have all of these banners here. So you could stamp this in a lighter color and then stamp the letter on top of it in a darker color. That is beautiful and super useful. What I love about the Illustrated Faith stamp sets that you get with the devotionals, yes, they have to do with the devotional each month, but they're so versatile. You can use them in so many different projects. And I think that's fantastic. Love that. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got some stickers. Looks like we got one sheet of stickers. Am I correct? Yes, one sheet of stickers, some gorgeous florals. Those are giving me like Maggie Holmes vibes, and I love it. From Jasmine. Absolutely beautiful. I should have probably started with this. This is the thank you note from Shauna. Hearttoon. Love this as a journaling card. And then you get a little note from Shauna talking about what the kit is, gives you the color crush, lots of colors in this kit. I'm here for that. And then you get a little sneak peek. Looks like next month going to involve some mushrooms, and I'm here for that as well. How sweet. And then what else do we have? Oh, a vinyl sticker. Love this illustration. That is beautiful. Vanessa did such a fantastic job. I'm loving that. And you all know that my favorite piece every month is the ephemera. Like I love, love, love the ephemera that comes out each month. It is so much ephemera. I'm going to attempt to kind of spread it all out. Take a look at it. It's just so many pieces that you will be able to use in your journaling. I like the mic drop. Lots of florals, like the little stars. Okay, let's make a little floral section. This will be florals over here. We have some different styles of florals. So cute. I love it. Look at all the little, the type words. Oh my goodness. Are we going to have the whole alphabet, you guys? Maybe. Lots of labels. Some journaling spots. Oh my goodness. It's just, this has got to be the most I've ever seen. Look at all of the different letters. Work it out. And again, something I appreciate about Illustrated Faith is these work beautifully for the actual devotional that month, but they're also not so specific, I guess is the word, that you could not use them in other projects, in card making. And I appreciate that because they give you so many to choose from. So your creativity not stifled because you can use all of these things, but it's just, you can use them again and again. So I feel like it's not going to waste because they could certainly give us a million pieces of ephemera and they all be so specific to the kit that you couldn't use them for anything else except for the kit. And I love this because I feel like especially card making, these kind of lend themselves to card making. I, of course, use them in my planners all of the time. Look at all of these alphas. Like, yes, please, to all of those. How cute. Y'all, there are so many. This is crazy. This is crazy. Look at all of these and all the ephemera designed by Jasmine Jones. She did a beautiful job. I love all the letters. Like, I'm here for all the letters. I don't know if it's the whole alphabet, but I do know it's a lot of different letters for sure. Come into my heart, follow up. Okay. Look, that is crazy. Look at all of that beautiful ephemera. Oh, I'm so excited. And it's just a good quality. I love it. It's great. They do a fantastic job. So pumped for all the ephemera. So that is what comes in the physical kit. It's going to be a good month. I think the timing, I know for me, the timing is perfect and I can't wait to dive into that devotional content. Now, Every time they release a new devotional, Shauna also curates some amazing extra goodies in the shop. And these goodies kind of coordinate with the kit. And so let me share with you some of the extras that you might be able to pick up in the shop. Okay, so here is another set of goodies. There is another new stamp, Elaine's Essentials Pattern Builders. Elaine does such a great job of just designing stamps that we can use for all different purposes. This is just screaming art journaling to me for sure, as well as Bible journaling. So that is perfect. Then we have, oh, those are sweet, like little dandelions. Can y'all see? This little dandelion stencil. I love that. So cute. Stencils, always good because you can just do so much with them. Here we have some other fun goodies. Let's see what all is in here. Okay, let's check this out. First of all, I love that they've been doing fabric. This is a new thing that I feel like started in 2023. These little fabric bundles are so fun because you just get to add them like little bits and pieces of fabric instead of having to buy a ton. Look at how pretty that is. And they're going to coordinate with the kit, the blue. Look at this one. This one has little chicks on it. I don't know if you can see that. How sweet are they? I love it. And then of course you can untie the bow and use this one as well. They all coordinate so beautifully. They make for great little like bits and bobs and dimension to add into your journaling. I love that. So you can buy the little fabric bundle. These are little custom tabs. Take a look. I cannot believe they took the time to sew these. Shauna is so amazing. Y'all, these are tabs punched out of watercolor paper with little bits of fabric sewn straight to them. Like, are you kidding me? How sweet are those? Looks like you get 5 tabs. They're just little bits and pieces. Oh, that's so good. It's so good. I love the orange too. The orange thread that they used. Like, that is super cute. Super cute tabs. Love that. And then there are 3 new washies in the shop this month. Let me open these up so I can swatch them for you all. All right, so we have 3 new washies. First up, it coordinates with this design that is on the bags this month. And this one is called Sunday Floral. How pretty. What a fun color combo. I love that with the green. Very pretty. Then we have Daisy Parade. These are good names. Those are super fun. So this one, red and pink, not a color combo that you see all the time, but how cute is that? Daisy Parade, adorable. And then we have Paint Splatter. I can already tell you this one is going to get used a lot in my craft room. I love these kind of simpler ones. This one is like a peachy pink color and then the brown paint splatters, and that's just going to go with so many things, I feel like. So those are beautiful, beautiful new washies this month. I'm excited. And then I received this, and this is just such a fun idea that they added. So again, the premise of the devotional is that you're with friends and you're sitting down over a cup of coffee or tea, and they're talking it out. They're talking with each other. And so therefore they also designed this beautiful mug. And I love the idea that a group of us would be all using the same mug this month. Like, I think that's so sweet. And it has the beautiful design from the front of the devotional kit in it. It's just like gorgeous shape. I'm excited. This will definitely get used in my craft room this month. And I think that's just a fun connection to think that as you're setting the devotional, maybe using the coffee cup, there are women all around the world doing the same thing. And what a cool, just, I don't know, connection point, a little like God wink moment. So I think that is absolutely beautiful. Love, love, love. Thank you so much. I love the coffee cup. That is a very neat kind of addition this month. All right, you guys, this is what I received from Illustrated Faith for the Heart Tune Devotional. I can't really put into words why this is the perfect timing for me. And I'm so excited for this devotional. I think it's going to be absolutely just wonderful and moving. This is available over at the Illustrated Faith shop. I will link them down below. Remember the two sides of the shop, the physical stuff, all of this, or you can buy a lot of this digitally, which is awesome. And just another way to work through the content in the kit in your own way, in your own style. I'd love to know what you think of this kit, what you think of the colors and the illustrations and the formatting of the devotional. Let me know down in the comments below, and let me know if you've picked it up or if you're planning on picking it up. I would love to hear from you. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all for being an amazing community to kind of be a sounding board for each other. And I think that's fantastic. If you want to find out more about Patreon, you can check the link down in the description box below. I hope that all of you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.